Once upon a time in a small, bustling town, there lived a bright and ambitious 14-year-old girl named Beryl Tull. Beryl was known for her bubbly smile and her unwavering determination. She spent her days being captivated by books, curious about the world around her and fascinated by the workings of the human body. Beryl had always been drawn to helping others, often volunteering at the local community center, where she would assist elderly residents with their daily activities. She found joy in hearing their stories and learned valuable life lessons from them. It was during these moments that Beryl realized her true calling. She wanted to become a nurse. One day, while volunteering, Beryl encountered Mrs. Henderson, a sprightly old woman who had fallen ill. Beryl remained by her side, comforting her and offering her care. Mrs. Henderson's appreciation for Beryl's kindness sparked an idea. What if she organized a health fair for the community? Inspired, Beryl rallied her friends and family to put together a day of activities focused on health and wellness. As the health fair approached, Beryl worked tirelessly, researching medical information and bringing in local professionals to teach others about home care and basic first aid skills. When the day finally arrived, the fair was a huge success. People of all ages gathered to participate, and Beryl's passion lit up the room. She even had the chance to demonstrate CPR techniques, earning the admiration of everyone around. It was here that Beryl truly shined, embodying the qualities of compassion, knowledge, and leadership. By the end of the event, Mrs. Henderson approached Beryl with tears in her eyes. "You have a gift, dear. You will make a wonderful nurse one day," she said, squeezing Beryl's hands tightly. From that day, Beryl was more motivated than ever to pursue her dream. She studied harder, volunteered more, and even began shadowing nurses at the local hospital after school. As her 14th year came to a close, she was known throughout the town not just as Beryl Tull, but as the girl with a heart full of hope and a future destined to bring healing to many. With every act of kindness, Beryl moved closer to becoming the best nurse she aspired to be. And she eventually did become the best nurse in her town.